Welcome, Matthew Moore again. This particular demonstration or answer has to deal with Canvas Studio. I have several Mac users calling in, and the issue is Mac only records the background of the desktop. You'll know when this happens because you create all these wonderful instances and they don't get recorded. You just hear your voice in the picture. So what I'm going to do is explain, why it only records the desktop. You can still hear your audio and web camera, but why is it missing screencasts of applications? Okay. To fix this, you have to enable the screen recorder in settings on a Mac. So I went to Canvas. Canvas pointed me to Screencast-O-Matic. Screencast-O-Matic took down their website, and I had to go to Mac. I think it's an update in Mac in their recent security protocols. So you would just go into System Preferences. So I'm going to click that on right now. System Preferences is a pretty common feature on a Mac, but not many people are familiar with security and privacy. So I'm going to click on Security and Privacy, and you'll notice in Security and Privacy on the left side you have a lot of different categories such as location services, here's camera, microphone, okay? So you want to make sure that they're enabled. So when you click on camera, you want to make sure screen recorder or Screencast-O-Matic are enabled. Same thing with microphone, Screencast-O-Matic, and screen recorder. Okay. Actually, if you don't have Screencast-O-Matic installed on your computer, just look for screen recorder because what I found out is screen recorder is what is being used on my computer to communicate with Screencast-O-Matic that's on Canvas Studio. Okay. I'm just giving you guys the complete answer because I had the same problem. But towards the bottom, one that we often miss is the screen recording. And so this, for me, was not checked, right? So if I look at it now, it's checked. So remember when you change these features, you want to open up your Mac. You want to be the administrator on your Mac, right? So you have to, know your password, right? Okay, so you unlock that. Once it's unlocked, you'll see that this is unlocked down here. And you just want to make sure it's checked. Okay, so if it's not checked, you have to unlock it, check it, then lock it again, okay, to make sure your settings are the right way. Okay, so that's how you do that, Mac users, because I know you create great videos. Once you have to do that, you close it, and you'll notice, like I said, it's Screencast-O-Matic and screen recorder. Right now, I'm not sure which one I need to have enabled, so I enabled both. And you're seeing right now that I can do a test right here, right? So just to verify, I am typing in Word, right? So that's good. And for those of you who don't use Word as a way to explain stuff for your students, I highly recommend it. You're probably pretty good at Word, and sometimes you can just type like you're explaining to your students in the classroom. And then we're going to test a PowerPoint. So if I'm going to go to PowerPoint, I have one open here, and I'm going to go to Slideshow, and let's open the slideshow here. We're going to play it from the beginning. Okay, and if I play it from the start, you can see this is a slideshow from 2016 with the October 2018 version. So the course design rubric's a pretty important thing in community colleges here in California, et cetera, and you can see that I'm moving through slides. Okay, great. So I'm going to publish this to YouTube, and hopefully this will help you guys out.